We got great news for Intel stock investors this morning, September 3rd, as the company announced next-generation chips to power personal computers. This comes amid Intel's strategic challenges and investor skepticism about its manufacturing expansion plans. Still, the new chips are aimed at protecting market share in the personal computer market that is undergoing a massive upgrade cycle. People and businesses who bought computers during this COVID-era boom cycle are starting to feel the need to upgrade. Let's take a closer look at this product launch and what it could mean for Intel stock investors. Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video. Moomoo is a trading platform that allows individuals to buy and sell stocks and other investments. I posted the link to Moomoo in the description below. If you use that link to sign up to Moomoo, it'll help support my channel, but more importantly, you can get special incentives for using my link, including up to extra 10 free stocks. Alright, so Intel launching the new ultra-core processors, and today they said they launched its most efficient family of x86 processors ever, the Intel Core Ultra 200V series processors. The technology will power the industry's most complete and capable AI PCs with more than 80 consumer designs from more than 20 of the world's top manufacturing partners, including Acer, Asus, Dell Technologies, HP, Lenovo, LG, MSI, and Samsung. And that's the key there, is developing the technology that will be harnessed by top manufacturers, because that's where Intel's chips ultimately are sold into, are these manufacturers that are named here. If the chip was not effective enough or did not test positively enough, these manufacturers would not produce or try to sell PCs with Intel inside. They would go with a competitor chip such as that from AMD, or now Qualcomm with its Snapdragon, aiming to take market share in this lucrative market. So Intel with this product aims to protect its market share. Qualcomm is trying to enter this market and take market share. So it's going to be interesting to see how this market develops, especially as investors are skeptical of Intel stock. You look at the year-to-date performance of Intel stock and it's disappointing investors, to be sure. Today it's trading at $20.21 per share, where it started out the year trading at over $48 per share. This is especially surprising considering the excellent performance of semiconductor stocks overall. Intel has been a huge laggard. One of the reasons for that underperformance is Intel's negative free cash flow. Negative $12.58 billion to be precise in the most recently reported period. And that created the need for Intel to pause its dividend. And so investors are concerned. The primary reason for Intel's negative free cash flow are the big investments in manufacturing expansion and the development of its fabrication business. Now, this is the other side of the business, not the personal computer side of the business, but that's where investors were most hopeful for Intel to take market share from the AI data center build out, which it's actually losing significant market share in that category. Intel goes on to say that the 4th generation NPU is up to 4 times more powerful than the previous generation and is ideal for running sustained AI workloads while remaining energy efficient. And this year will be the first where personal computers are optimized for artificial intelligence performance. Computers are being infused with AI enhancements, and that's creating optimism industry-wide for this upgrade cycle to be the best in the personal computing industry's history. Intel saying that it drives 30% average performance uplift, and the built-in Intel Arc GPU includes as many as 8 new 2nd Gen Xe cores, 8 enhanced ray tracing units, which support up to 3 4K monitors. And that's helpful for someone like me. I like to have several 4K monitors to use when I'm working. It provides me more real estate, desktop real estate, to conduct research and financial analysis. And not all computers support this many 4K monitors or more than one 4K monitor. So this is a positive use case for me and could be one reason why I consider upgrading one or more of the computers in my household. We have several computers in our household, and this could be reason to upgrade at least one of them. Intel saying that it also drives up to 3x the performance per thread and up to 80% peak performance uplift with up to 20 hours of battery life in productivity use cases. And that's for your everyday user, light user. The, let's say, college student can go to college with the charge and use it all day long comfortably, browsing the internet, watching videos, writing emails, working on Microsoft Word, etc. And that's primarily one of the reasons why that group of users will adopt this technology. So Intel did not receive or get a boost in the share price when they announced this product. I could share with you the one-day performance of Intel stock. It's down today like most of the market. Today's been a massive down day on the market. Intel stock down significantly from $22 per share to about $20 per share. Nvidia stock is down roughly 8% as well. Semiconductor stocks in general are down. The overall market is down between 1% and 3% depending on the index you look at. So not particularly informational for Intel and the price action as it relates to the product launch, but it's overall a broad market decline that's bringing down Intel stock today, not the product launch. In fact, yesterday, Intel stock price performed excellently as the company is rumored to make strategic changes to improve the performance of the business and perhaps sell off parts of the business that could bring in some capital, improve the free cash flow, and lower the complexity of operating the business. So overall, great news for Intel stock investors. And for you investors, don't forget to click on the link below and take advantage of the free stocks from Moomoo. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.